Record. We're recording. We're recording.
Howdy.
The cops just stopped us, and their car's too loud. Aaron's over talking to them right now. I don't think they know I'm recording. They might have a problem with that. I think they want us to leave Cobb here. We're blasting up Cobb. Oh, someone called in a complaint. Someone called in a complaint. I think it was the gawking lady over. I don't know if he caught it on camera. Some lady was just gawking at us hardcore. Fucking. But he's taking off. He just wants us to get on out of here.
Did you get that? Did you get that on video?
Yep.
Don't be all.
Yep, that's the police.
That was the po-po, dude. The first time the cops are called on a thunder knock. Woo woo!
I got that on tape. I was commentating it. I was like, oh, someone called in.
He told me, he was like, dude, somebody called and bitched. I had to say something, but I don't give a fuck. He's like, if they call again, I'll do something about it, but I don't care.
I freaking called.
Yes, dude!
I swear it was that lady that was just gawking at us.
No, it's probably this red car over here. There's parked right over there when they were fucking.
Oh, yeah, and they were there for a grip, huh?
Yeah, they were there for a good little bit.
So how long we got on that one?
A minute and a half. Should I stop it?
Clicker, bitch. We'll go ahead and get the rest of our vids.
Alright. First cop encounter.